maybe it's not.
Should we show him upstairs first or down?
Downstairs first, because that's where we run out of time.
Yeah. Downstairs is the tree upstairs. Yeah.
So the hospital bunker.
Have you seen that?
Yeah, there's another doorway there. And an external.
Oh yeah, it's that one, isn't it? Yeah.
So it's a different layout.
If we do this, we go over, we look at this side of this,
Yeah.
and this,
Look at the back.
Yeah.
and whatever that is over there, all the way back to the class.
So this was the medical bunker. There's a Red Cross. There's another Red Cross.
I'm the biggest
And
one.
there's one inside there.
Yeah, nice crosses then.
See
isn't
from
they?
the German writing, it says something in German.
See the bush where the pole.
And we're going in here away first.
Yeah, going that one first, Dave.
It's pretty impressive, this.
You can see, look at the stake,
Yeah.
shuttering. It's literally just
Mad.
any old wood bashed together. Isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, look, what's going on up there?
Yeah, and there's bits there, isn't there? So it's, and I'd say I think what Andrew was saying, they've probably run out of decent material, so they've just thrown it together with whatever
They
they
might
can
run
get
out.
hold of.
They might not have finished it. They might have run out of time. You know,
Yeah.
Because there's little bits of
the
wood.
war was over.
mixed.
Yeah. Just panicking and rushing, weren't they?
I see Andrew's like, I'm going to struggle in wood.
That bottle is done, isn't it? Really.
Yeah, yeah. I'm just carrying it so I'm not littering. Or illiterate.
Do you want me to hold that?
Yeah, please. Can't get my leg in. It's probably been tall, it's harder to get in places.
It's always been like this. You'd think they make it bigger, wouldn't you?
Or maybe it was over by a small person.
Maybe, yeah.
You put the bag here, and I'll.
Do
Chuck
you know,
it.
I'm regretting bringing it. I've got my sandwiches and that, and I'm just dragging them in and out. They're going to be squashed and hot, sweaty.
Right, grab that hand away.
Not recording.
It is recording. Oh. Chuck that down there. That's that. That's it. Oh wow.
Yeah, it's a bit like that.
Cramp. Right. I'll take that.
Look at that, folks. That's good, isn't it?
Yeah. I believe it's original. You know, is it one of them things they made for a film?
Yeah, I don't know, yeah. Let's just look at the old pictures. I've got to stand up. Crap. You open the bag, let's take it.
Yeah, mate, I got it.
You know, I know I brought along to carry it.
Huh?
I know I've only brought along to carry it.
Yeah, that's mad. So yeah, let's go into the tunnels, folks. Because last time we ran out of time. We had to get the ferry. Yeah, it's a very strange tunnel, this one, because it's got all those weird paintings and rooms painted strange colours. Unfinished, isn't it?
Yeah.
Unless it's painted at the top.
There's wood, so it could have been panelled. Like I said, in a lot of places, I think wood was sort of still on this.
Yeah. Here we are again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is it?
Frogs.
Oh God.
Frog's legs.
Oh Jesus.
Oh no, there's your one. Jump.
Oh yeah, I know that. A trio of frogs.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. The bit's still where I left it here.
Yeah.
Just show.
Even that's damaged, isn't it? Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Impact.
So you reckon there would have been multiple operation tables in here then?
Oh, was it?
Yeah, it's not in there. There's a light.
Ghost.
Yeah, I had something. I did.
Do you want to have a look then?
No.
Right, yeah, so yeah, we're in a German bunker. It's supposed to be like a hospital bunker or something, or first aid. What paintings from the time?
Still got the perfect fit. Crazy that.
That is mad, isn't it?
Yeah.
Should have put some more names.
Putting the wreckage back together.
Yeah.
So look at the way they've got like old Roman and Greek here.
Yeah.
Then they've got a modern square building there. Then the
Pillars.
mountain volcano in the background.
It's really moist in here. What was that? Post box or something?
Lighthouse maybe?
Lighthouse, I thought.
Lighthouse.
Yeah. Oh, look at the
What
moon,
is it?
look, stars and moon at the
Oh
top.
god, yeah.
Or is it like on street corners in France they have those sewer vents with posters on, don't they?
Oh yeah.
Is it one of those? Supposed to be?
Really?
I don't
Could
know.
be.
What's that in the background? A pyramid?
Yeah.
It's very strange.
It's a mixture of stuff to put together, isn't it, I think?
That battery, Lindemann battery.
Look at that bit there.
They
That's
they
come
buried
off.
the pillbox, and not pillbox. They buried the plotting room,
Yeah.
and in the plotting room was full of like these paintings.
Was it?
Is that the one they smashed on the roof in?
Yeah. Don't know why fans going crazy.
Yeah,
No, that
that's
was recent.
oh, right.
No, that's not
Someone
it.
smashed it recently.
Yeah.
Because they could.
Oh, it's a frog there. Sorry, mate. That was your
Oh,
home.
stop! It doesn't have a frog under that.
Where?
Yeah, let's stop moving things now.
Is that
Well, no, it wasn't. It's just there.
God.
Don't want to squash the frog.
No, I wouldn't squash a frog on purpose. I like frogs because they eat mosquitoes.
Hello. Alright.
There he is.
Hi. I don't know what to say. I didn't have a script.
Trying to scare number one fan.
Unscripted exploring.
Hello, folks.
Yeah.
Quarter to
English or French?
French.
French. Because we are in France.
Right.
Do this. Have a little drone. Have some go eat and maybe
Find something else.
Coffee.
Eat, drink and...
go off to that other place. Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Did you say coffee?
For coffee.
Yeah, I like coffee.
I
I
don't
want, I
know.
want coffee. Yeah, we said.
It's hard to tell with some of this down here because like that looks like it's under the paint.
Yeah, it was French as well.
Actually,
You know what it
looks
says,
like
though?
wood. It's crazy.
Yeah.
That's an interesting point. They took the wood off the inside and painted it basically wood coloured.
Yeah.
They took the wood off and used it somewhere
Look
else.
down there, look, the paint doesn't get to the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's all the top.
Ain't cut in, have they?
No. So is that later? Is that like to cover up graffiti or something?
Again, is it might have been filmed? They filmed it, they painted it for a film they were making.
Yeah.
You never know, do you, in the 50s and 60s?
No.
You all right?
Yeah, I didn't see that. It should be in. Oh, wow, that didn't sound good.
So we get the idea that it was just really quickly
Back
done.
again.
Yes.
Yeah. Definitely. Is there a staircase somewhere where you can sort of put it then behind? Yeah. Put a staircase there and then nah.
And then now we'll cap that off.
Yeah.
Maybe we should just be fine. Hiya.
Oh,
Thought someone was there.
So did I.
yeah, that's rough, isn't it?
Ah. So,
I went up there last time.
Yeah.
it is sad that they needed first aid so much. For a building together.
Really could be.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
Yeah.
Oh look.
Skeleton.
It's just not
Finished
even
at all, was it? No.
Thanks for that.
Yeah. It's in that. They missed it last time.
What?
Skeleton.
Oh yeah.
I saw
Might
that
be an
last
owl
time.
post, there might be an owl.
Pardon?
There's an owl through there.
Very bad construction.
Just rushed. I mean, look, it's got bits of wood in it and everything.
Yeah.
Not been properly tamped down, is it?
No.
You going up?
We beat up last time.
Makes you wonder, really, if this was constructed whilst, you know, the place was active.
Yeah. Being shot
Shot
at.
at,
innit?
shot at and that, and you're trying to mix concrete.
Don't better thinking about, does it?
No.
It's just horrendous. How things got that f***ed up. Oh, messed up. I didn't know. Sorry.
Oh, don't worry about it.
Yeah,
He's used to it with me.
Yeah.
things got that messed up. Everybody was fighting everybody.
Yeah.
And people who... The thing that gets me is the people that were fighting towards the end weren't of war fighting age when it all started. You know, they weren't old enough to vote or anything like that. And then they were sent here to fight
Yeah.
for something they didn't really understand. On both sides as well.
Yeah.
I
think at
just
the end-
feel sorry for them all that they had to do this.
The fight for Berlin was terrible.
Yeah, that's serious.
There
That was,
were
wasn't it?
that brainwashed by the propaganda, 6,000 mass suicides after Hitler killed himself, and then the rest just took up arms. Kids, you know, women, you know, old people, just because they really believed, because the propaganda, they brainwashed everyone,
Yeah.
brainwashed the nation.
Believed in that.
Especially if you, I mean, if you're a child and you're brought up to say Jews are bad, you're going to believe it if you're like 4 years old. If that's all you've heard,
Yeah.
you're going to believe what you've been told. It's natural.
That's it.
And then they end up being serious, hardcore Nazis because of what's been, you know, told to them. It's a vicious cycle, isn't it? It's
Brainwashed by the
crazy.
government,
Yeah.
that sort of sounds familiar.
It's Goebbels, wasn't it? He was.
He was evil.
won-
Horrible.
Did he have
Horrible.
he had a PhD in literacy and all sorts. He was quite
Dr.
switched
Goebbels.
on.
He killed his own kids.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they all committed suicide, didn't they?
Yeah, he killed his own children. That's
They
pretty
forced
messy.
all the younger children, innit? Forced them to sign.
Yeah,
up.
because
Yeah.
a young child's not going to commit suicide. It's
No,
going
it's
to
the
be
way
the
you said it.
adults.
It's the way you said it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Horrible,
it's
man.
crazy.
Horrible regime.
I feel very depressed now, folks.
I did last time I was in here.
I
It's
must
this-
admit, the
this.
ones that got me were the other ones we did where you could seal the bullet holes.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
you
they
just
just
think,
wiped people out.
Yep.
I mean, yeah, they were 19, 20-year-olds, but they're still kids to me
Yeah.
who've got nothing. You
Yeah,
know,
there's no
nothing
life,
to
is
do.
it? It's nothing.
No.
No, it's
No,
just
horrid.
it's just force. What are you going to do? You're going to fight or you'll be shot. Well, you're going to fight, aren't you? At least you've got a
Yeah.
part of a chance.
Yeah.
Right then.
Lest we forget.
Oh,
Yes.
we're back.
Onwards. Is that just two
I think
rooms
it's
there?
amazing how he survived like 6 assassination attempts.
That's a step and a half, isn't it?
Probably 4. Wouldn't you? If you survived that many assassination attempts.
Isn't it, Chris? That's a step and a half.
Yeah. See what I mean though? I mean look, the shuttering here.
Yeah, they believe at the end because the last
That should have been
video
there.
he was shaking, wasn't he, behind his back?
Yeah.
He had his hands tied behind.
Touch that live wire.
Chris has just touched it, so I know it's fine.
Oh.
Well, make sure everyone's filming before you go over. I don't like it.
You sure about this?
Yeah, because we need
Go
to
back
do...
there. You can go over it easier.
Where?
Back.
I think it's easier here
Where?
because you've got a wall to hang
I
on
think
to.
it's easier there.
Not electrified.
No, don't know. I did sort of touch it, but it pulses, doesn't it? So if in a minute he screams, we'll know.
Oh yeah, that'd be great, wouldn't it?
Right across his testes.
That'll wake him up.
See, nothing to laugh about.
Weren't laughing, lad.
But you was waiting to laugh. Wait, you alright, Chris?
Filming it, that's why he was filming.
Hold up, it's got your camera. Likes dropping cameras, folks.
And only yours.
They do look really old if they're not original.
I think that.
I think they are.
I reckon so.
Cheers, Dave.
No problemo.
It's
Nice.
just a bit of a shame that we still blew a hole in the back of it. Oh, look at the original path.
Oh yeah.
That's cool.
So there is your medical station. Now along this path here, folks, original path, is the one of the casemates of the battery. And it seems we took video footage of this with the drone and we saw these doors and we thought it was open, but now looking at it, it wasn't.
So it wasn't open?
No. So we were lucky to get in today.
Oh, very. No, it was that man door up there, but that was, I think that was sealed as well.
That's mad, isn't it? Look at that. Right, we've got a little bunker here, folks. Look at the crack in that.
Yeah, and they're
Yeah, that's what I said. Look at that. That's that bit that's blown up, isn't it?
Yeah, it is inside there, isn't it? Because the door at the end, wasn't there?
my arse ain't showing,
The back of the battery.
Everyone's seen my crack.
The gun
They have
position.
blurred it out many times.
Blurred it out, yeah.
Oh yeah, there it is, that's the way in. It's all been pushed up against the entrance. Mad.
Yeah, I will, because I can get there and shot them.
Yeah, and that's totally filled in, whatever that was.
Yeah, it made sense
We
in
think
my
this
mind.
would have been the generator room for this battery casemate,
Yeah, the other one's got it built on, hasn't it?
built in.
Yeah,
underneath.
under that sand. We nearly got
Yeah,
gassed.
imagine if you
Yeah,
dug
you never got
Serious.
that
here.
When you drone this, have a look over the top of that. See if there's any pipe work already at the top of this.
Yeah,
And you know a generator.
Yeah, good idea.
the top of this one,
Yeah.
So that's blown up inside and it's pushed that up, isn't it?
Yeah.
Slabs.
How, it shows how things work out. If you wouldn't have thought you saw an entrance open, we might
Yeah.
not have come back today.
No.
And it was open anyway.
You got
Luckily,
in both of
someone.
them anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Crazy, eh?
mad. That's exploring, viewers.
It is, you
That's
never
what it's
know
all about.
what it's all about indeed.
It's closed and one day it's open.
Or it's just Dave's got that special
Magic duck.
gift.
Yeah, it looks that way. There we go, this one.
Yeah, I was going to just have a look at
Imagine
that.
if you could get